Yesterday, one of my students asked me, Sir, how can I experience my Atma? And what I answered her before going straight to that topic, I will tell you three Vedantic perspective. Atma and Paramatma has no mind. Second, Atma and Paramatma has no sense organs. Atma and Paramatma can't experience anything. You just keep it in mind. Now I am going straight to the subject. Whenever the context of experience comes, your experience is always about some objects or subjects. For example, you are going to some international trip. Over there, you watch a beautiful snow covered mountain peak, or you are watching Niagara Falls, and that beautiful visual provides you required inputs to your optical systems. That's why you are experiencing pleasure within you. Now you are in a hospital. Similarly, you are experiencing some sorts of agony, trauma, pain, right? All these things are happening outside and you are feeling within your own systems. No rigid or valid or concrete reality is there, right? Now, your question, how can I experience my own Atma? Now I am taking that subject very seriously. First, at the beginning of my video, I have told you Atma and Paramatma has no mind, no sense organs, can't experience anything. So, how can you experience your Atma? You can establish yourself to the Atma. That is it. Now you have established yourself in your body, this physical body. You have to shift yourself from your body to the Atma. That is the whole matrix. You have to understand. Little bit complicated, but you have to understand. I'm making it very simple. Now, step by step, understand it. This is my body, but it is not me, right? Just think step by step. Investigate with me, right? It is your chairs. Yes, it is your chair, but not you. It is your home. Yes, it is your home, but not you. It is my body. Yes, it is my body, but it's not me. Why? Because one day this body will be burned to ashes. One day this chair, this home will go out of my hand. Then how can it be myself? How can it be me? It is my things gone out of my hand. Right? Now, what to do to understand or experience the Atma? No chanting, no mathematics, no sorts of practice, no austerity, no meditation technique can take you to the junction point of your Atma. Nothing can take you up there. Then what to do? Now I am telling you. Very simply, I am telling you. You have this body. To experience this body, do you chant my body, my body, my body, my body from evening to the morning, from morning to night? Do you chant it? To feel or to experience your body, do you meditate or follow any kind of strict regime or any kind of strict austerity to experience this body? No. You know this is your body. Every moment, every fraction of seconds, even in your dream, you are carrying this body, you are carrying this experience or feeling of your body, even in your sleep, in your dream. For that, you don't need any practice. So, similarly, you don't need any practice to experience your Atma. Then, what or which things resisting you or playing the deterrent against the Atma? Which? Your external experiences, your experiences of the snow peaked mountain, right? Niagara Falls, the seeking of the singing of a bird, your infatuation with the beauty of the nature, all these external experiences, external pleasures, happiness, sorrow, suffering, joy, all that which are external in themselves are building up invisible walls against or around the Atman. For that, you have to build up a strong dispassion, apathy to everything which is not you. Everything. To your own education, to your own society, to your parents, to your teachers, to your social dogma, to your philosophy, maxims, doctrines, everything. Disassociate yourself from your parents, teachers, everything. Mentally, I'm telling you, mentally, you have to disassociate, build up a strong dispassion, apathy to all of that things which you think it is mine. Reject all kind of pleasures, all kind of sufferings. It's not you. And slowly, slowly, you will find you are shifting from your body based identification to the Atman based identification, which you are already. You are Brahman. You are Aham Brahmasmi. You are Tatmamasi. That is all about it. For that, you need guts. You need strong guts to go against your society, your ignorance of your parents, ignorance of your teachers, ignorance of your education systems. You have to go against all of them. That's why our Muni, Rishi, our ancient sages rejected everything. Neti, 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 neti. This is the ultimate reality of the Advaitam, Brahman. So, my dear friends, I hope you have understood it. Play this video 3 4 times, watch this video 3 4 times, and investigate yourself. You will understand it. Thank you.